I'm backstage now with Mr. Tawfiq Qureshi. So, what are the feelings tonight? I'm so excited to finally talk to you. मैंने सबसे बात कर ली, आपसे बात नहीं.
क्या बात कर रही है?
अभी तक नहीं बात हुई. देखो अब बात हो रही है.
No, it's a great feeling to have such great musicians like Chris Potter, Dave Holling, who come all the way from America, and then John McLaughlin, you will come now. And I'm so fortunate to be part of Shakti Group. And we are, of course, hissing Zakir Bhai in both the sets because Cross Currents and Zakir Bhai, he was a very integral part of both the bands.
Yeah.
But it's a great feeling to have these musicians come. But a sad feeling that this is happening on Zakir Bhai's first policy. But we don't mourn his passing away to the other
We
world.
celebrate.
We are celebrating his life and his music.
Yes.
Yeah.
So many musicians coming together and celebrating
It's about
one
I think
legend.
a total about 60 musicians, national and international, who are here to pay their
Yeah.
tribute.
Yeah. And the entire family, and it's a house full.
Yeah, it's a full house.
My goodness. I mean, I saw the amount of people who have walked in and want to watch him. Just, just feel his presence out here and just be able to celebrate this.
It's amazing.
Like the whole families come together.
And all the musicians who have come here, they are not charging a single penny.
Wow. Look
They're
at that.
all doing it gratis because of just the love for him. Maestro forever.
He is the maestro forever. And he's been such a great mentor to so many of them.
Yes.
You won't believe, like, I'm talking to so many of these artists and they all are just getting emotional while talking about him. And they are such beautiful things. Like, everybody has some unique thing to tell about, like, talk about him. Of course, you being his brother, you've seen him, like, up close and personal, But what was that one thing that you think, like, made him really stand apart from, like, literally everybody from in this world?
Well, the most important thing, once we were traveling in America, and we were just listening to some old masters like Ali Barkha Sapan and Ravi Shankar. And I was traveling with him. We were just two of us. We were traveling from one place to another place to go somewhere. Since then, in my mind, I've also started feeling that I'm not teaching, I'm sharing. Because he said when you share anything, be it music, love, food, happiness always spreads.
Yeah. Coming to food.
Yeah.
His favorite thing, some of the musicians told me that only once he would order good food after a
Every
concert, we would know that the concert went well.
No, but at the concert, before the concert, the first thing decide, okay, where are we going to go and eat after the concert?
I love that. I love that.
Well, that was the best thing about Zakir Bhai.
Yeah.
He would put everybody at ease. Don't worry, concert will go. What do you want to eat after the concert?
But this was his beauty because I've been watching him on stage. I've watched all you guys perform, I think, for like now years and years, put together. And he was just like glue. And he would let the artist take center stage, despite the fact that it was like, oh my God, Ustad's right here. And
it's true.
for somebody who is new to classical music, one would think like, it's a very serious form of a space, like make jokes and all. He would just like be at it, like having
that
fun.
whole concept of classical music being serious
Yeah.
was just put aside by Ustad Zakir Hussain. When you go to his concert, you don't realize that there's all this seriousness. Look at music, whatever's coming out is serious. But that whole vibe around, this casualness in his talking and everything, which you can see now, everybody doing it, even classical musicians.
Yes.
Now, when they talk in a classical concert, they're talking very easy and you don't have to be very formal
I think
because of his man.
I also think because he made classical music very accessible to the common man.
Yes.
Because otherwise in our minds, because somebody who doesn't understand classical music, it can be really complicated and it could be like, oh, how do I break this third wall?
Many people who would never go to a classical concert started coming because of him. I know there's a glamour, as Zakir Hussain, but he brought it to a level where a common man, जिसको classical music का कुछ मालूम नहीं है, उसको समझेगा राधा कृष्णा का झगड़ा चल रहा है, ये घोड़ा दौड़ रहा है, ये ट्रेन चल रही है, वो करते करते उन्होंने सबको लाया
एक साथ यटोरा.
क्लासिकल म्यूजिक में ये भी है.
That's what legends do. They bring everybody together.
Correct.
See,
Absolutely.
applause like right at the moment. That's what
Zakir Hussain.
really for Zakir Bhai. But thank you so much for talking.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you. Lovely
I
talking.
really look forward to the entire set. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.